keep flying that flag, yeah? That's why I do what I do. Keep me inspired.
Alright, boys, let me get a quick picture of you guys and Naya and Andrew there. Please jump in. Let me get the play vibes in there.
You've got 3 minutes.
3 minutes, come on.
Yeah, squeeze in.
Get in the middle.
Is that a good light?
Get in there.
But what I'm trying to...
You've got an album here.
Wicked.
Thank you.
You need to get moist in here.
Yeah.
Do you want clear or do you want coloured?
Oh, I've got options.
You've got options, babe.
Claire, please,
Go
darling.
for it.
Thank you. Now we're joined here by the beautiful Naya. You just heard us playing her song. She's a UMA nominee for Best Newcomer last year.
Yeah.
How did that feel?
Yeah, really good. I mean, like everything from when I started doing music to now has just been a complete journey, and it's always been rising, so everything feels great, yeah.
That's fantastic because I'm always hearing about you. I definitely know your voice, so it's distinctive. And we also know you because you're best friends with Tulisa.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
How's she getting on doing the X Factor?
I mean, she's absolutely knackered. She's doing like 6 AM till like 2 o'clock in the morning every day, but she's loving it. It's a wicked opportunity,
Yeah.
you know, so.
And did you two know each other before the music game, or?
Yeah, funnily enough, I mean, I used to live in Streatham up the road, so I was living there, and I randomly got a phone call off this girl one day, and she's like, oh, hi, I know you don't know me, I got your number off a friend, I know that you love animals, and I just got a puppy, where do I get its injections? So we ended up talking for about 3-4 hours. She was like, oh, what are you doing tonight? I said, nothing, I'm just chilling in my house. And we started realising we had a lot of things in common. We both sung, both like grew up in Kentish Town, you know, just a lot of similarities, both Cancerians.
That is hilarious.
And she said, yeah, shall I come up? I said, go on, come up then, babe. I've never met her. We literally got on the wine and became best mates that night. And
That's
this
good
was
energy.
Like 7 years ago or
So
something.
you clicked straight away over a puppy?
Yeah.
What's the puppy called?
Romeo.
Romeo. Oh, gosh. Is he a heartbreaker, is he?
He is.
Puppy dog eyes.
Trust me, he is.
So what made you want...
I basically am a hairdresser.
An amazing hairdresser.
Well, I know.
Right.
I actually do know about this guy, but I'm going to pretend that I don't.
All right.
And I also know because your hair's looking kind of swept.
Yes, it's looking a bit the only way is Essex fired at the moment because I need a haircut. I've got a hair salon and a hair academy, but can't get a haircut. So, one of them things. But we've got we've got an academy in Shoreditch, Stables, 138 Kingston High Road, and basically we do MVQ training level 2 and level 3 for guys out there who are between 16 and 19 and want to get really good training foundation behind them. I'm at ex-Feed soon with business partner Paul Ames. He's from Tony and Guy background, so we mix it up and get them doing some practical work. The way we work with Naya as well, I've done a lot of videos and photographic work for Image, and what we do as well, we've done a video for this song playing at the moment at Sugar Hut over in Brentwood.
Oh, I've been there.
Yes.
I've actually partied here.
Have you?
Yeah.
It's quite big at the moment on The Only Way is Essex.
I know.
And one of my other clients as well, Kirk, who owns the actual club,
Right.
we shot it over there, and I've got a couple of our assistants, Pash and Karis, came over and assisted us on the shoot. And why we do that as well is to inspire them to actually, you know, you can go in other ways and other avenues in hairdressing, not just work in a local salon or go around the houses to do hair. They can actually be part of something, and it really opened up their eyes, you know, into what they can do and being a...
Oi, oi. So, that's Andrew. So what do? You push... Oh, right. Oh,
Wow.
this is nice.
It starts getting deep here.
I know.
There we go.
The lights are dimming down.
Hold on, this is something that's close to my heart.
Oh, I've been pushed right out of the way.
Naomi.
Full name.
Get her attention.
Ooh.
You came in, your beauty caught my eyes.
Oh.
And last time I felt this way was when, for £1, you can get 2 apple pies. I'd love to wine and dine you. I'd even let you supersize your meal. So what are you guys laughing at me?
Just to let you know I'm vegetarian, but anyway.
Oh, okay, sorry, let me take that one back again. I'll let you have a veggie burger with your meal. Yeah, she looks like a veggie girl.
Oh,
So what are you saying then, John Link? This ain't deal or no deal.
Well, do you know what? I've got one thing to say to you. I spend every night in your arms. I wish I could give you my heart, but boy, I can't be with you, even though I wanna be with you, boy.
Hey.
Oh, yeah!
the world you heard it, I'm in. After this, we're going KFC. Done, it's a wrap.
No,
I
we're
heard it.
going to have to go to the veggie bar.
Yeah.
No KFC around here.
Bambula.
Okay.
We're in Brixton.
Yeah, right.
We're with the Rastas.
I know.
We can get idols.
Yes,
down
this
here.
is what we're
Apparently,
dealing
I've got to
with.
go down the roads and have a
Oh, and there's a
patty.
nice
Oh,
patty shop
yeah.
down there under
So
the
have you
arches.
not had a patty?
Never had a patty.
Never.
No,
Never.
we're gonna.
Have you had a Cornish pasty?
I've had a Cornish pasty. Yeah.
It's like a spicy steak and kidney pie.
Okay. but-
Without the kidney.
No, it's not. The reason why I said that because it's patience, the whole works. Listen, you've got.
Seriously.
I'm telling
Leave
you.
me alone. Hey, quadro a bit too old.
Innit, tell him.
I'm telling you, so Slim, where are you going to be this week? What are you doing? Go and give us a joke.
This week I am heading down to Leicester and Nottingham over the weekend. Doing 2 separate shows, same night, 2 different cities. That's how I'm rolling, Jay. That's how I'm rolling. So we're doing Leicester first. I'll be down a club called Curve. I'll be doing that, and then we're starting a tour, Dons of Comedy, which, my boy's chocolate with me. Dons of Comedy. I know. It's coming. You don't even realise I'm on a live radio interview.
Hello, son,
You see what I'm saying to you? I've got a
That's
family
classic.
life. Everyone thinks that if my life's full of jokes, it ain't. It's full of problems.
So I can't wait. The Dons of Comedy. Now listen, I hope you're hooking a girl up because I need to